High School Beyblade here, and today I'm doing the Magnum Roktavor R7 versus Glide Belvia, or yeah, by 2-pack Hasbro. Really can't wait to use these guys, and yes, I'm using this in the stadium with yeah. These are gonna be a bit quicker than my normal unboxing videos, because I have a plan for these guys. Oh god. This is how sharp my knife is. I was just going down here to get this to then all the way down over here. Careful with knives. Oh, that's a hand. Oh, this is E-Fluid, yay. That's actually really cool. There's the code. That's actually pretty cool. Finally getting this one in Hasbro form. Newer version. There's the code. There's 6. Or whatever this one is. There's driver, excel, defense, or yeah. Okay. Oh, that's actually a really cool disc. That's actually one of my favorites so far. Oh god, yeah. Hope you guys like this video. Like, comment, and subscribe for more videos like this, and goodbye.